everyone. We are the Group 1 and we chose the topic Moral Dilemma Approach in Teaching GMRC. The moral dilemma approach in education is a teaching method that uses hypothetical scenarios where individuals face difficult choices with no clear right answer, forcing them to critically examine their own values and ethical reasoning to make a decision, ultimately promoting deeper understanding of moral issues and developing ethical decision-making skills in students.
So good afternoon, everyone. So let us tackle first what is moral. So moral are the principles that guides us to do what's right or wrong. Next is what is dilemma. So dilemma is a situation where you have to choose between two difficult or unpleasant options. So now let us tackle what is moral dilemma. So moral dilemma is a conflict of morals where you are forced to choose between two or more options and you have a moral reason to choose and not to choose each option. So in other words, moral dilemma forces you to choose between good or bad options, making it hard to decide.
So, good afternoon again, everyone. Today I am going to give examples of moral dilemma. So, according to what Irish and Baby Ann said, the moral dilemmas are situations where we have to make difficult choices between two or more conflicting values, principles, or loyalties. So, here are the examples of moral dilemma. So, examine this scenario in which the student is cheating. So, this scenario is, imagine you're a teacher. So, you catch a student cheating on an exam. So, the student is usually honest and hardworking, but they're under a lot of pressures from their parents to get good grades. So, if you were a teacher, imagine that situation, then what would you do? So, considering in that scenario, here are the strategies that you could apply. So, the first one is identify the values. So, what are the core moral principles at play? So, the second one is consider the consequences. What good or bad outcomes might result from each choice? The third one is you should have to think long term. How will your decision impact you and others in the future? And the fourth one is you have to seek guidance. Talk to trusted people, family or friends, mentors, or look to ethical codes or religious teachings. Last one is follow your gut. After careful consideration, trust your own sense of what's right. Often, your intuition can provide valuable insight. So you have to remember that there's no guaranteed right or answer in every moral dilemma. It's about making the best decision based on your understanding of right and wrong.
The second example of moral dilemma is the whistleblower or the whistleblowing. It is a perfect example of real-world situation where these values are put to the test. Like for example, the class are having a long test exam and one person studied hard and feeling confident. However, during the exam, one person noticed a classmate who is also close friend. And the moral dilemma of this is deciding whether to report unethical practices within your circle of friends, even if it means of risking your circle of friends. Here are the applying strategies. First is consider the consequences. It must be evaluated the potential outcome of each option, both yourself and other involved. The second application strategies is make a decision and take responsibility. It is important to make decision and take responsibility because it is not from your own good but also to others.